Good morning. Good morning, second species students. Yesterday, what did we complete this chapter maxima and minima? Maxima and minima, the last concept of the derivatives. So, derivative chapter, now application of derivative completed. Derivatives, application of derivatives. 20 plus 30, to 10, 30 marks. 30 plus first inverse and maths 2 chapters, 50 marks. This is 22 marks. Big chapter. That integration is totally depending on the derivatives. So now let us go to the new chapter, integrals. Integrals, this is 22 marks. This is 6 marks, 5 marks, 2, 3 marks, 2, 2 marks, 1 mark. So this is very, very important and easy also. Derivatives perfect, all are perfected, means integrations also easy. Okay. So integration is the anti-derivative. Derivative integration is the anti-derivative, means reverse. Okay, integration equal to antiderivative. So, for example, derivative of sin x plus c. Derivative of sin x plus c is equal to derivative of u plus v. Here c is a constant. So, derivative of sin x cos x. So, constant, derivative of constant to 0, that is equal to cos x. So, apply integrals both sides. So, integral d by dx of sin x plus c dx is equal to integral cos x dx. E d by dx derivative with respect to x dx common. Here also integral dx both are compulsory. Integral dx means what? Integrate with respect to x. Dx means integrate with respect to x. D by dx means derivative with respect to x. Here also. So what is the integral? So integration is the antiderivative. Antiderivative means derivative, integration cancel. So you can cancel. The cancel means automatically dx also remove. So sin x plus c is equal to integral cos x dx. Derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x. So integral of cos x is equal to sin x plus c. Plus c compulsory, because this is derivative of sin x cos x. Derivative of sin x cos x. Derivative of sin x plus c cos x. Derivative of sin x plus 100 sin x minus 100, this is any constant. Also 0. So derivative of sin x plus c cos x, derivative of sin x cos x. So this is the constant is missing. Constant is missing. That's why compulsory plus c common. Integrated value answer plus c compulsory, because this is the reason. Derivative of sin x cos x, sin x plus c koda cos x. So c is missing. C is any constant, 1, 2, 3, minus, plus, fraction of 100, 1000 or any. Okay, that's why every integration have answer have plus c. This is antiderivative. Next, on the table. In the table, first, this is the next one now. Okay, listen carefully. Oh, integration as an inverse process of as an inverse process of differentiation. Integration as an inverse process of differentiation. This is continued. Next table. Symbols or terms or phrases or meaning. First one, integral f of x, symbol of integral, this is the symbol, integral f of x dx. So meaning, what is the meaning? Integral of f, this is integral of f with respect to x. So this is the meaning. Integral f of x is nothing but the function in terms of x. So integral f means, this is symbol, meaning integral of f with respect to dx means with respect to x. Okay, next second one. F of x in integral f of x dx. In integral f of x dx, in only f of x is called function. Integrand. Okay, in the integral f of x dx, in only f of x is called integrand. Next one, x in integral f of x dx. X in integral f of x dx. What is the variable? X is what? Variable of integration. Variable of integration. In the same way, integral f of y dy means y is what? Integral of variables. Next, integrate. Find the integral. Integrate means find the integral. Find the integral. An integral of f means a function f such that a function f of x such that f capital F dash of x is equal to f of x. So capital F dash of x is equal to f of x. So integration. Integration means the process of finding integral. The process of finding the integral. The process of finding the integrals. constant of integration, constant of integration. Okay, constant of integration means any real number C, any real number, any real number C considered as constant function, considered as constant function. Okay, this table in the page number 289, in the page number 289 is the table. What is the meaning? This is the integral symbol, integral f of x dx. What is the meaning? Integral of f with respect to x, dx means with respect to x. At the same way, integral f of y dy means integral of f with respect to y. Next, f of x in integral f of x dx. In the integral f of x dx, only f of x is called integrand. X in integral f of x dx. In the integral, x is what? Variable of integration. Integrate, finding the integral. Integrate, that's integral, finding the integral. An integral of f. An integral of f means a function capital F of x such that f dash of x is equal to small f of x. Integration, finding the process of integral, the process of finding the integral. Constant of integration, any real number C considered as constant function. Any real number 2, 3, 4 or any real number of C, that value, see, constant value considered as constant function. This is the table. Okay. Some integration formula same as derivative formulas type. First, in derivative formulas, first formula, what is the first formula? Derivative of constant. Derivative of constant is equal to 0. Here, this is the symbol of integration. Integral k into dx is equal to k into x plus c, where k is constant. Listen carefully. The derivative of constant, confusion, totally confused. Okay. Integral derivative of constant simply 0. Integration of constant is equal to k into xo plus c. Plus c must and should plus c. Okay. Next, what is second formula? Derivative of x power n. Derivative of x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. Here integral x power n is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Third one, integral dx means integral 1 into dx is equal to x plus c. Fourth one, integral x dx is equal to x square by 2 plus c. Formula 1 means what? Sir, explanation after I will explain. Next, fifth one, integral 1 by x dx is equal to log mod x plus c. Derivative, antiderivative, the integration is the antiderivative. So, derivative of log x is equal to 1 by x. Derivative of log x is equal to 1 by x. So, integral e power x dx is equal to e power x plus c. Integral a power x dx is equal to a power x by log a plus c. Next, eighth one, integral sin x minus cos x. Derivative of minus cos x. Derivative of cos x minus sin x. Minus into minus plus sin x. So, derivative of minus cos x is equal to sin x. Next, ninth one, integral cos x dx is equal to sin x plus c. What is the derivative of sin x? Derivative of sin x is equal to cos x, antiderivative. Okay, next, 10th one, integral secant x into tan x. Integral secant x into tan x dx is equal to, what is the derivative of secant x? Derivative of secant x is equal to what? Derivative of secant x is equal to secant x into tan x. Integral cosecant x into cot x. Cosecant x into cot x dx is equal to, what is the derivative of cosecant x? Derivative of cosecant x is equal to minus cosecant x into cot x. So, minus cosecant x plus c. So, integral secant square x dx. Integral secant square x dx. Derivative of tan x. Derivative of tan x is equal to secant square x. So, tan x plus c. Next, 13 one, integral cosecant square x dx. Derivative of cot x. Derivative of cot x is equal to minus cosecant square x. So, derivative of minus cot x is equal to cosecant square x. So, cot x plus c. Next, simple one. First, simple problems. A power x, e power x, 1 by x, log x. Next, integral 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx. Integral 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx. Integral 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to derivative of sin inverse x. Derivative of sin inverse x is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So, sin inverse x plus c. Next, integral minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx. Derivative of cos inverse x. Derivative of cos inverse x is equal to minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So, this is cos inverse x plus c. Next, integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Derivative of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square. Integral 1 by 1 plus x square is equal to tan inverse x plus c. integral minus 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to derivative of cot inverse x minus 1 by 1 plus x square. So cot inverse x plus c, cos inverse x plus c. Next, integral 1 by x into root of x square minus 1 dx, x into root of x square minus 1 dx is equal to secant inverse x plus c. Next, 19th one, integral minus 1 by x into root of x square minus 1 dx is equal to cosecant inverse x plus c, cosecant inverse x plus c. And integral secant square, cosecant square, cot x, sin x. Okay, these are the first fundamental, first very easy fundamental formulas. Okay, next I will send all formulas compared to in our textbook page number 290. See your textbook page number 290. Okay, what is there here? The derivatives integrations. Derivative, what is the difference between comparing between derivatives and integrations in your textbook 290 and 291 pages. Okay, this is starting page, one long page, 2 pages both, front to back, full 2 pages you have leave. Okay, you have to leave because there are not only 20 formulas in integrations, not 20 formulas, so many formulas. All formulas you can write once, one place, same place, line one by one, up to 50 formulas, 60 formulas, but how many formulas? Okay, so first page, front page, first full page, both sides full page, leave matri, leave the page. So all formulas write down in one place. Okay, this is the starting formulas. Okay, next, next one. Next, some properties of some properties of indefinite integrals. Properties. What is the first property? Integral d by dx of integral f of x dx is equal to f of x plus c, or integral d by dx of f of x dx is equal to f of x plus c. Derivative integration cancel, so function antiderivative. Next, integral f of x minus g of x dx. You know, derivative of u minus v. Derivative of u minus v is equal derivative of u minus derivative of v. Same as it is. Integral u minus v. So, integral f of x dx minus integral g of x dx. Next, integral u plus v f of x plus g of x dx. Integral of derivative of u plus v, derivative of u plus derivative of v. So here integration of u plus v. Okay, this u is f of x, v is g of x. Same, integral f of x dx plus integral g of x dx. Integral constant into u, derivative of constant into u. Okay, derivative of constant into u is constant into derivative of u. Same, constant into integral u. Not only 2 or 3. Integral f1 plus f2 plus f3 plus and so on plus fn of x dx is equal to integral f1 of x dx plus integral f2 of x dx plus integral f3 of x dx plus and so on plus integral fn of x dx. Not only two functions and so on. Next, integral u into v dx. Integral u into v dx. U into integral v dx minus integral d by dx of u integral v dx total dx plus c. This is each derivative has 1 dx. Derivative means derivative with respect to the same integration with respect to x. This integration also integrate with respect to x. The total is this one totally another integration also integration with respect to x. This is the properties of integrals. Okay, today only introduction. Okay, today these fundamental formulas and properties and derivative formulas once again. You will see derivative problems also procedures all are all are you have to perfect. Okay, tomorrow I will discuss the some more examples. For example, derivative of sin x is equal to cos x, derivative of sin ax, derivative of sin of log x, cos ax. This type one direct formulas applications, some formulas applications, some for applications are also I will explain and continue the exercise. Okay, so are you perfect? Okay, thank you.